thickness. Look what I got. Oh my gosh, this goes on and on and on, and I am flabbergastic. Yeah, let me tell you, Arteza sent me an email if I will look on their products, and they asked me, well, pick a few things out and try them and let me know what you think about it, making a video of it. So yeah, I could not resist that. On the complete website they have so much, it was so hard to choose. Alright, so but I did. So I'm going to show you what I picked out. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got, and I'm first going to unpack this. So this one is because you know I'm a crafter and a scrapper, and I really like using a cutting mat while I'm doing my tutorials. So yeah, that's so cool and it's so easy to use. And so this is a cutting mat and a self-healing rotary mat, actually 60 by 45 centimeters, two-sided, 3mm thick, eco-friendly. Yeah, do I need something more to say about this? Well, I am really curious how that self-healing will work, but let me unwrap it because you see the shining of it. It was actually really good packed. They sent it me in 2 different packs. I think that was easier. Oh my gosh, use a knife. Good lord. Here we go. And so yeah, I must say I'm really impressed how they sent this to me. Sorry for the noise. It's noisy. Yeah, that's always the thing. Unpacking things. Here we are. Okay, so what you get is a double-sided. So this is the light gray, and the back is dark gray. Now how will look that on camera? Nice. I like it. I do have a black one, but I like this color too. Cool. So what you get is you get all the measurements, and you also have these down here. Oh my gosh, I think my table is too, it will be fitting, but for now it's not that good. So yeah, you have the measurements on all directions, left, right, under, up. Now I noticed that these measurements are only in centimeters. That's for me no big deal because, oops, I'm living in Europe, so my centimeters are perfect. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I really like the size of it. Made in Taiwan, no iron, no living in the sun. Oh, cool. This is awesome. I really like that. So yeah, the thickness is pretty good. You see even a double layer in between. There is a layer in between. I must say, yeah, of course you can, how you call that? The best review is of course when you are using this a couple of times. And I will get my next projects, leave this behind for the background of my filming tutorial things. And yeah, actually I like this color too. So yeah, that's nice. So you can switch on this color, light gray, or the dark color. So for us, this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. So you can use 2 ways. Stunning. Can't wait to start with my next project, so I have a new background. So cool. Alright, so this is the cutting mat, 40 by 60 centimeters, and it's just perfect. It will be perfect to have it in frame. So yeah, nice. I already want to start. Alright, so let's go to the next. The next thing that I got from Arteza are the 72 watercolor pencils Expert. And the reason why I choose these watercolor pencils is I just love watercolors, and the reason why I love watercolors is because you can blend it, and I just love that. So yeah, and I am a scrapper, and yes, I am a scrapbooker, and not particularly a draw artist or a paint artist, but believe me, you can do so much more with pencils, and you can also as a scrapbooker. So when you open this up, oh, my daughter was really amazed, and she went, I want it, I want it, I want it. So I already asked her if we are doing a review, if we want to do it together. So I hope she will still promise me that she will keep her word for it. So yeah, so totally cool. I already have very good doubt that will be a fun video. So anyway, what you see is there is a first tray. Oh my gosh, and I have long nails, so for me it's hard to get these out. But I love these colors. Amazing. So let these... Oh, and then we have a nice next one. It's so cool. They almost like the same, but they aren't, of course. So, oh. No, for me that's no good. I'll think of something to lift that better up. So it's a very good tray, a very good tin. Oh, background. They are saying all these colors. Amazing. Now I do notice one thing. So if you are seeing this, well, that could be me. But as I was told you, like I told you, I am not a draw artist. But the first thing I see is, why do they not add this this lined color, the purples by the purples, and the green by the greens, and the pink by the pinks, and the brown with the browns, etc, etc. And well, I think there is a reason for it, but I do not know that. But well, we'll figure that out. Oh. Wow, these colors are really so much, and some are pretty look-alike. Like say this color is almost the same as these ones. So yeah, this is awesome. I can't wait to start with these. So much color. So I think I am going to reorganize them in all the pink by the pink and from light to dark. I really love that. That's really just me. I'm a little... Oh yeah, here are also all the green ones with each other, and all the brown ones, and all the purple ones. So, well, that's just me, but I do not know why they did not already put that in here. But we'll see about that. Alright, so let's go to the next one. I can't wait to play with this, so keep an eye on my channel when we are going to do a little tutorial, a little review. The next thing I picked out is these Arteza acid-free spiral bound. So it's nice bound together. And it's ideal for wet and dry media. So this is the mixed media pad premium, 9 by 12 inches, and it's 110, well in my language 180 grams. And in centimeters is 22.9 by 30.5, so that's a cool size. So what you can do with this, why I picked out these, well, mixed media will say that you can use it actually for everything. Special is acid free and for wet. So I told you I am a watercolor fan and also a mixed media fan. So what I had in mind with this, will blow you away, but I'm not going to tell you. But you can do so much with these papers because you can use these for everything. You even can just color them. You can, of course, use it for mixed media. But really, I like the quality of it. It has a little texture on it, and I really like the spiral bounding, so it's easy to work on, even if you like working on the background, so that's also a possibility. And so there is a little texture on it. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a little texture on it. And what you do see is there is a line right here. So if you like to pull this out, there is a nice score line right here where that's easily be doing to do that. Okay, I really love these, and they are really huge. So 60 sheets in one of them. Wow, so I can play a lot. I can tell you that. So wait for the review and for the tutorial for this one. Next thing is Arteza recommended me this, so this was not particularly my first choice, but hey, Arteza asked me, so yeah, why not? She asked me if I have interest in the 12 metallic gouache colors, and these are premium, and I am so curious how they look. And so let me first unpack it, and I did unpack it a bit because these were sealed in, so their packaging are really good. So oh my gosh, okay, so we have the gold, silver, bronze. These three colors are just always useful. You have the pearl white and you have the pearl noir. Ooh, that's black pearl. Ooh, I'm curious. And then you have the colors, and you have the pearl orange, the pearl bubbles, the pearl scarlet, the pearl purple, the pearl aqua, the pearl emerald, and the pearl eucalyptus. Cool, I love these colors. Totally amazing. So yeah, that's also what I got. And let's go to the last piece. And the last piece is the Arteza 60 Watercolors, also premium. And yeah, why I choose this? Well, same here. I just love watercolors. And I do have a few things that I already have in my mind to do with them. So yeah, totally cool. Very cool box that I put it in. And lots of information is it on. So like I told you, I am not a draw artist or a paint artist. I normally will not do any paintings like this or something, but sometimes in a while I do like things. And I have to say, and that is the thing you do not know me, that I did, I used to follow a course for airbrushing, and I can tell you that was so inspiring. So I did make a few paintings, but then with an airbrush, and that is a totally different technique, but the eye of making a painting is pretty much the same. So it's not that I am not a painting artist, but then with airbrush. And I did in the past quite a bit making drawings, and I love to have a picture in a magazine and then I will draw that. So, but that was in the past, so I am happy, really happy to pick that up and see if my skills are still a little good. But I'm not that good as the professional painters. I'm not a drawer, I'm not a painter. I am not that good of that, but I will see. I will see how far it goes. But anyway, so these are all the colors, and they have all the numbers on it. pigment numbers, and so you have 3 pluses and 2 pluses. I do not understand why that is. Oh, the light fastness. Oh, so the 3 pluses or the 2 pluses with a min are the transparency. So if you have a full one, that means it's very good with pigment, I think. And then with an open one, like say this one, it's transparency, something like that. Well, we can see about that when we are going to check it out. But anyway, let's grab all these little trays and see. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. Oh my goodness. Let me unpack these all so you can see how much colors are in here. I am flabbergasted, and I'm so curious how all these colors will be in real life. Oh my gosh, this goes on and on. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Can I add some more? Yes, I can. So the first impression of me is, let me put this right here. Well, let me put this upside down so you can see the colors. So the first impression, what do I see? Well, if they all have the exact colors as on the tube, then I'm happy, because I really like the colors toned down. I do not like too bright colors. So yeah, I hope all the colors are in here that are the same as on the tubes. Oh my gosh, so many! But again, why not put all the green by the green and all the blue with the blue? Well, this one is pretty much good, but yeah. So I'm get a little itchy, because I do like all in one place. So I am going to do that, I think together with my daughter. But oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with these. For now, I really think that the packaging is cool. It's really awesome. You can leave these in these trays if you like. You can pick these easily out. I have to peep. Oh cool, they do not have a sealed thing in here. I always hate that. So cool. I want to play. Oh my gosh. I want to play, but not today. It's almost evening, so no. Love it! So, oh my gosh. Okay, I get these back. My hands are itchy, but I want to play with these. So stay tuned to my channel if you like to see me playing with all these yummies. And yeah, so let's get artistic and play with it. But I have something in my mind. I already had this in my mind when I saw the website. And yeah, I'm very curious if that will work. And well, perhaps for the people who knows me, knows what I'm talking about. And so yes, I hope I'll get all the good links for all the products if you already want to check it out for yourself. So thank you, Arteza, for sending me all these cool products. And so check out the website and click on the link below the description box and check it out, because it's amazing. Well, I still have to review it and test it out, but I think it will work out. So stay tuned to my website to see more of these yummies. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.